I tried reciting the Quran properly in order to gain closeness to Allah, but every time I thought I was beginning to understand the Quran, that feeling of "it is clear to me now" would fade away overnight. But why? I noticed something very different. Surah Fatiha has 29 words in Arabic, but anywhere from 74 to 97 in translation. The different languages we speak around the world are not random. They are from Allah. The Quran was revealed in Arabic, but its meaning is multi-layered. When people from different cultures and languages study the Quran, we notice that our language gives us unique concepts, metaphors, and way of thinking. Each language and color has certain idea that highlight a specific angle of a Quranic verse. Subscribe